So guys, time is now 4:30 a.m. and we started our journey towards waterfall. We will see two waterfall today. So let's begin. So guys, now it's morning 7:30 a.m. and we are on National Highway 948. Oh, that dog is coming. Come on down. Sit, 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 sit. Oh, what? It's National Highway and you are letting your dog alone go around. Wow, nice. The road is really nice. Another dog. Oh, come on, don't. No. Okay, this time it was fine. What is happening today? I don't know. Okay, let it be, guys. So, guys, the road is really nice, as you guys can see. I'm really enjoying riding bike on this road. It's superb. The scenery of this road is really stunning and weather is also cloudy, so it's good. Okay guys, so from here we have to take left and then again straight. Road is ahead but it's blocked by those barricades, and here we take left. Okay guys, so before this road now we crossed two gates. I mean, the gate was on the road, so at night time I think door was closed, so you guys can enter the road if the door was closed. So from here we need to take right, and this bridge is looking nice. Actually, scenery in this area na, it's really looking nice. So let's go guys. We are not far from our destination now. It's close. Guys, waterfall is right there. I can hear the sound of waterfall. We almost reached. Okay, here we are. This is the parking, I guess. And here are some bench from the viewpoint. Wow, it's really big waterfall. Guys, just see. Now we are going down by stairs to the more close viewpoint down there. Actually, there's also two steps there. One is right on that left, and more stairs is coming a little bit down. So I guess I'm going down. So that will be more close. So guys, we finally here. It's feeling really nice. In morning time, just some fresh air and this waterfall. The feeling is really awesome. So guys, this is the amazing view of Gaganachukki Falls in Karnataka. And guys, another thing, I mean, this waterfall is coming from Kaveri river, so that's why I want to share with you guys. Just look at this water. I want to touch the water, but we can't reach there. We checked, both of the sides are barricaded, we can't enter. So guys, now we are going to another waterfall that's called Barachukki waterfall. Just see guys, right outside one canal is going. It's so beautiful view. Oh shit, one woman is doing potty there, so she just destroyed our view. Okay, let's go. What can we do? Guys, on my right one big lake is here. It's really looking good. One car is there on middle of the road. Is he looking the view? Come on bro, you could have parked on little bit left or little bit right. Even two-wheeler can get past. Seriously man. Okay guys, so this scenery is really marvelous. So another thing to inform you guys, when we are returning from Gaganachukki Falls, at the gate on road, security took 10 rupees for each bike, and he also gave slip also. That's for parking charge. So that's I want to share. Okay, here view is really nice. Okay guys, so we will go to that road and take left from there. So guys, now we are at Barachukki waterfall parking. This is the parking spot for two-wheeler and four-wheeler. We will go straight. Waterfall is right there. So guys, there's the waterfall. As we can see, here is also same bench is there to view the waterfall from here, just like Gaganachukki waterfall. And the same thing will go down by stairs. Okay, here I think they are charging something. Okay, 5 rupees for each person to go down there. They are charging. Why they are charging like this? Okay, I think it's for parking also. That was for Gaganachukki, and this is for this Barachukki waterfall. Actually, from that waterfall to this waterfall, distance is I think 26 minutes or something. That type of distance is there. It's actually really close, but we have to come around from that waterfall to this waterfall. That's why it takes longer time. Lots of people already came here, as we can see. I think they came to this waterfall first, and after this they will go to that Gaganachukki waterfall. We went to that Gaganachukki waterfall first, and after that we are coming here. Okay guys, that family was also there at Gaganachukki waterfalls. Here on my right, this family. So they were also went to Gaganachukki first, and after that they came here. This waterfall is also really outstanding. It's really wonderful. Came from there. Okay guys, so here from that main road we came from this road, and I fell down there.
Tara, tara. ওটা তো বেঁকে গেছে, বেঁকে গেছে তো, ওটা না থাকলে হাঁটু যেত।
So guys, this is one type of observatory here. It's like first floor. In ground floor there are sitting place, and from this top we can see this amazing view. My leg is hurting after I fell down there. This view here is really amazing guys. That river is there na, that is going to that Barachukki waterfalls. So we guys were thinking if we can go there, but here barricade is there, so we can cross that. It's for safety. So guys, we stopped at one bridge at returning time. Here you guys can see this amazing view. some birds are flying. It's really looking nice. I'll take one slow motion. So guys, it's time to return. See you guys in our next video.